Right now, the climate sentiment score is flat at plus 0.00, but the momentum is sharply rising at plus 0.49. This juxtaposition suggests that while immediate opinions haven't shifted, there's a growing undercurrent of interest that's picking up pace. You might notice this is unusual. Typically, positive momentum correlates with a rising sentiment score. Our API returns a wealth of information, providing you with insights across 20 semantic clusters that can help you pinpoint emerging trends in climate discussions. For example, if you're building a tool to analyze public sentiment on climate policy, this data can guide your approach, allowing you to identify which aspects of the conversation are gaining traction, despite overall sentiment remaining neutral. Get started at pulsebit.logenterprise.com/docs.